Health insurance in India is a system that helps people manage the cost of medical treatment. It provides financial support during illness, accidents, or hospitalization so that healthcare does not become a heavy burden. Both government and private companies offer different types of health insurance plans. It plays an important role in improving access to healthcare and protecting families from high medical expenses. About health insurance in India. Meaning of health insurance. Health insurance is a system that protects people from high medical expenses. It helps individuals and families manage the cost of treatment so that they do not fall into poverty due to sudden illness or accidents. Basic idea behind it. Health insurance works by collecting money from many people in the form of premiums or through government funding. This pooled money is then used to pay for the treatment of those who need medical care, reducing the financial burden on individuals. Different ways it is provided. In India, health insurance is offered in different forms. The government runs schemes for poor and vulnerable groups, companies provide group insurance to their employees, and private companies sell individual health insurance plans to people. Health insurance coverage. Most health insurance plans in India mainly cover hospitalization expenses, such as surgeries, ICU care, and treatment that requires admission to a hospital. Types of healthcare services and insurance coverage in India. Inpatient care, IPD. This includes treatments where a patient is admitted to a hospital for more than 24 hours, such as surgeries, ICU care, and delivery. These expenses are widely covered by most insurance schemes in India, including Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana (PMJ), and private policies. Outpatient care, OPD. This covers treatments without hospital admission, like doctor visits, tests, and medicines. In India, such expenses are usually not fully covered, so people often pay from their own pocket. Preventive care. This includes services like vaccines, health check UPS, and screenings to prevent diseases. These are rarely covered under most insurance plans, even though they are important for early detection and better health. Health insurance sector in India. Current status. India's health insurance sector is witnessing steady expansion and deeper penetration, supported by government schemes, rising awareness, and digital healthcare reforms. Strong growth in the sector. The health insurance industry in India is growing at around 9% annually, showing consistent expansion. In 2024 to 25, total health insurance premiums crossed 1 Indian rupee and 20 cents lakh crore, making it the largest segment in the non-life insurance sector. Health insurance now contributes about 41.42% of total gross direct premiums in the non-life insurance industry, highlighting its dominance. Expansion of coverage across population. Health insurance coverage has improved significantly over the years. By 2025, around 47.4% of rural population and 44.3% of urban population are covered under some form of health insurance or government health financing scheme. This is a major jump compared to 2017 to 18, when coverage was much lower, around 14.1% rural and 19.1% urban. Role of Ayushman Bharat (PMJ). The Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana (PMJ) is the largest government health insurance scheme in the world. It provides 5 Indian rupees lakh health coverage per family per year to over 12 crore poor and vulnerable families. The scheme has more than 33,000 empaneled hospitals, improving access to cashless treatment. It has helped reduce out-of-pocket health expenditure for economically weaker sections. Digital health and infrastructure push. Over 79.75 crore Ayushman Bharat Health Account (ABHA) IDs have been created by 2025. Around 65.34 crore electronic health records are linked, improving continuity of care and digital tracking. Expansion of Ayushman Arogya Mandirs, primary health centers, is strengthening grassroots healthcare delivery. 131 new medical colleges have been made functional under government schemes, improving healthcare availability. Claim settlement and efficiency measures. IRDAI has set strict timelines for faster claim processing. Cashless pre-authorization is to be completed within 1 hour. Final approval for cashless treatment must be given within 3 hours. These rules aim to reduce delays and ensure timely medical support for patients. Claim settlement performance. Claim settlement performance remains relatively strong. 2022 to 23, 85.66% claims paid. 2023 to 24, 82.46% claims paid. 2024 to 25, 87.5% claims paid, improvement seen. Around 93% of insurance grievances were resolved in 2024 to 25, showing improved complaint handling. Rising demand and cost factors. Health insurance premiums are increasing due to aging population, wider coverage and better hospital facilities, advanced medical technologies and treatments. AirDay ensures pricing remains fair and based on risk and data-driven assessments. Need for health insurance in India. High out-of-pocket expenditure. In India, a large share of healthcare costs is paid directly by families. This often makes treatment expensive and financially stressful during serious illness or emergencies. Protection from poverty due to medical costs. Many families fall into debt or poverty because of high hospital bills. Health insurance helps reduce this risk by covering major medical expenses. Low public health spending. Government spending on healthcare is relatively low, creating gaps in services. Health insurance helps fill this gap by improving access to treatment. Cashless and timely treatment. Insurance allows patients to get cashless treatment in hospitals, ensuring quick care during emergencies without worrying about immediate payment. Rising cost of healthcare. Medical inflation is increasing every year. Health insurance protects individuals and families from the burden of expensive treatments. Better access and equity in healthcare. It improves access to quality healthcare for rural, poor, and vulnerable groups, helping reduce inequality in the health system. Government schemes related to health insurance in India. The government of India has launched several schemes to make healthcare affordable, reduce out-of-pocket spending, and ensure that even poor and vulnerable families get access to quality medical treatment. Ayushman Bharat, Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, PMJ. Launched in 2018, PMJ is the largest government health insurance scheme in the world. It provides health cover of up to 5 Indian rupees lakh per family per year for hospital treatment. It mainly covers serious illnesses and hospitalization in both government and private hospitals. It focuses on poor and vulnerable families, helping them avoid high medical expenses. It also supports elderly citizens by expanding coverage for people aged 70 years and above. Ayushman Bharat Health Infrastructure Mission, PMABHM. Launched to strengthen healthcare facilities across India, especially at primary and district levels. It improves hospitals, labs, and health centers so that insurance schemes can work more effectively. Focuses on better preparedness for diseases and emergencies, including pandemic situations. Helps ensure that people covered under insurance get better and faster treatment facilities. National Health Mission, NHM. A major program aimed at providing affordable and accessible health care to all. Works through rural, NRHM, and urban, NUHM, health missions. It improves hospitals, doctors, and healthcare services in both rural and urban areas. Supports early treatment, maternal care, child health, and disease control, reducing overall medical costs for families. Rashtriya Arogya Nidhi, RAN. Provides financial assistance to poor patients suffering from serious and life-threatening diseases. Helps families who cannot afford expensive treatment in hospitals. Covers major illness costs for people below the poverty line. Acts as a financial safety net for critical medical conditions. Janani Shishu Suraksha Karyakram, JSSK. Provides completely free care for pregnant women and newborns in government hospitals. Includes free delivery, medicines, transport, and treatment for mothers and babies. Reduces maternal and infant deaths by ensuring safe hospital deliveries. Helps poor families avoid spending money during childbirth. Pradhan Mantri Swasthya Suraksha Yojana, PMSSY, aims to improve healthcare infrastructure and medical education. Includes setting up AIIMS and upgrading government medical colleges. Helps increase availability of quality hospitals and specialist doctors. Indirectly supports health insurance by strengthening healthcare delivery. State health insurance schemes, SHIPs. Many states run their own health insurance programs along with PMJ. Examples include MGs, Tamil Nadu, Aarogyasri, Andhra Pradesh, Karunya, Kerala, and others. These schemes provide cashless treatment for major diseases and surgeries. They mainly support low-income and below poverty line, BPL, families. Each state customizes coverage based on local health needs. Employees State Insurance Scheme, ESIS. One of the oldest schemes, launched in 1952 for industrial workers. It provides medical care, hospitalization, and cash benefits during illness or injury. It covers workers and their families in organized sectors. It is funded through contributions from employers and employees. Challenges related to health insurance in India. High out-of-pocket spending still continues, even though insurance coverage is increasing. Many people still pay a large part of their medical expenses directly from their own pocket. This can become stressful during serious illness or emergencies. Limited awareness among people. Many individuals, especially in rural areas, do not fully understand how health insurance works, what it covers, or how to use it. Because of this, a large number of people either avoid insurance or fail to use it properly. Focus mainly on hospitalization. Most health insurance plans mainly cover hospital admission costs. Expenses like doctor consultations, medicines, and routine check UPS are often not covered, which reduces overall benefit for families. Complicated claim process. Claim settlement can sometimes be slow and confusing. People may face delays, paperwork issues, or rejection of claims due to policy conditions, which creates frustration during medical emergencies. Unequal access to quality health care. In many rural and remote areas, there are fewer hospitals that accept insurance or provide good services. This creates a gap between urban and rural healthcare access. Rising premium costs. Insurance premiums are increasing due to higher medical costs and lifestyle diseases. This makes it difficult for low-income families to continue or renew their policies. Fraud and misuse issues. In some cases, fake claims, unnecessary treatments, or hospital overbilling have been reported. This affects trust in the system and increases costs for everyone. Weak public health infrastructure dependence. Health insurance alone cannot solve healthcare problems if public hospitals and primary care systems are weak. Without strong government healthcare, insurance becomes only a partial solution. Significance of health insurance in India. Financial protection from high medical costs. Health insurance protects families from heavy hospital expenses, especially during serious illness or surgery, and reduces the risk of falling into poverty due to sudden medical costs. Prevents financial hardship and debt. In India, many people pay healthcare costs directly from their savings or by borrowing money. Insurance reduces this burden and prevents long-term debt caused by medical emergencies. Improved access to timely treatment. Insurance enables cashless and faster treatment in hospitals, ensuring patients do not delay care due to financial problems. Better access to quality health care. It allows poor and rural populations to access private and advanced health care facilities, improving overall treatment outcomes. Promotes health equity. Government schemes like PMJ help reduce inequality by providing coverage to low-income and vulnerable groups. Improves healthcare system efficiency. Insurance encourages hospitals to maintain proper records and transparent billing, reducing overcharging and improving accountability. Boosts economic productivity. A healthier population leads to fewer work absences and higher productivity, supporting economic growth. Strengthens overall public health. early treatment and wider coverage help reduce disease severity and improve health outcomes across society. Regulation of health insurance in India, IRDAI. Regulated by IRDAI, health insurance in India is controlled by the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, IRDAI, formed under the IRDA Act, 1999. Its main job is to protect customers and ensure that insurance companies follow fair rules. No age barrier for buying insurance. In recent rules, 2025 to 2026, insurance companies cannot deny policies based on age. This makes it easier for senior citizens to buy health insurance. Protection for senior citizens. Premium increases for elderly people are limited, generally capped around 10%, so they are not overburdened with high costs. Coverage for pre-existing diseases. Diseases that a person already has must be covered after a waiting period. This waiting period has been reduced to around 3 years in many cases, making insurance more useful. Moratorium rule for security. After 5 years of continuous policy, insurance companies cannot reject claims later on the basis of non-disclosure, except in cases of fraud. This gives long-term protection to policy holders. Standard rules and easy switching. Insurance terms are being standardized to reduce confusion. People can also switch insurance companies without losing their benefits. Portability. Control on unfair premium changes. Premiums cannot be changed frequently for individual customers based on their claims. Any revision must be applied across the whole customer group and follow approval rules. Coverage of Ayush treatments. Health insurance now includes traditional treatments like Ayurveda, Yoga, Unani, Siddha, and homeopathy, up to the insured amount. Simple information for customers. Every policy must include a clear and easy to understand summary sheet so people can know exactly what is covered and what is not.